is KJ Avellino Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from Don Bell. Ito guys, ito talaga ano na to, what do you call this? Latest na talaga ito. Ito yung naganap ata kagabi, if I'm not mistaken, kung saan may nanalo silang award, pero hindi ko pa alam kung anong award ang nanalo nila kasi busy ako, hindi ako nakapag-check ng Twitter and whatnot. So this is their, most of the TikTok compilations here is from the VP Awards night, if I'm not mistaken. So without further ado, let's all watch this. I'm so excited. A boy frequently shared video on the side with his girlfriend doing a speech. Saan si Donnie? Gusto ko pa naman tumingin si Donnie, parang, alam mo yung very serious type na parang siyang layo na binabantayan yung baby niya, tapos kung umatake, aatake siya agad-agad. Diba? Tingnan niyo, asa si Donnie? Oh, diba? Serious lang siya dun, oh. Parang hinihintay niya lang may umatake kay Belle, tapos aatake din siya, ganun. Diba? Di mo kaya ang analysis ko. Akyat kayo dito. Sige na, dito ka na nga. Ay, yung mga bubblies, yung pinapaakyat ni Ate. Ay, ano to? Saan to? Oh, ang pag-kiss. Ang cute naman ang pag-kiss. Ang future niya. Just nakikita kong future nila doon. Char. Ganda ni Belle dito, ha? Simple lang yung kanyang hairdo, pero perfect. Gusto ko yung issue na niya. Gumaganon siya. Oh, the untouchable couple. Di mo kaya. What's next? Ay! Ito may speech. Gusto ko to. Sino kausap nilang isang guy?
Let us go. Please clap for Rainbow Prince.
Me? In love with you? Yes. Yes, I am.
Eh. Okay. Oh, Baby Choice Award. Okay. Magsi-speech ba sila dito? Ano may speech sila? Nanalo din ata dito si David Licauco eh. Kasi wala siya. Parang supporting actor. Best supporting actor. Ayan, may speech.
There are a lot of people behind this award, and I would like to recognize them all. First and foremost, I'd like to thank you, Direk. Thank you so much. We wouldn't have done this project without you, and of course,
Ang galing yung magsalita. Donnie, eh?
To all the cast, who created such an amazing movie and Inconvenient Love. Maraming salamat po. And of course, I would like to thank my Star Magic family, my Rise family, Star Cinema family, lahat, ABS-CBN, the bosses, and of course, lastly, I would like to recognize you guys. Grabe, para sa inyo talaga to. Please, maraming salamat sa lahat na sumusuporta sa amin. Thank you so much.
Ay, ang galing yung magsalita. Tuloy-tuloy. Love it. Hindi mo lang siya nag-stutter. Eh? Ba't pa ganun talaga? Parang nilambing yun. Kasi nga sinabi niya, sorry. May nag-assist sa akin iba. Char. Okay. Okay. The visuals. Hey, look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, love it. Alam mo, pag narinig ko talaga to, ang naisip ko talaga Don Bell, sa totoo lang, walang eme. Ay, oh, the looks! It's perfect. Look at that, baby. Look at that. Sorry daw, kasi iniwan niya siya. Ang cute nun, the lambing face. The lambing face from Belle Marian for today's video. Every gentle. Oh. Congratulations, Bubbly. Okay. Oh. Okay. Donnie watching Belle. Belle receiving her award. Okay.
Okay, actually, guys, there are a lot of people behind this award, and
Asa si
I
Donnie?
would like to recognize them.
Yung watching. Oh, di ba?
Thank you so much.
Very Supremo. Very Supremo.
Thank you so much for
His look of love, yeah?
thank you.
I couldn't agree more. Oh my God. Ganda ng gown ni Bella. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, tinginan nila, oh. Parang wala talagang tao sa paligid nila. Sa totoo lang. Totoo lang. What's next?
And wala kami sa plataformang to kung wala.
Ayan.
So maraming salamat po.
Akit kayo dito sa stage. Tara.
Ito
Sige
yun.
na, dito na ka.
Dito na.
Palakpakan natin ang Bubblies. Representatives.
Okay.
O sa inyo na to. Seryoso. Ito na.
Ito na. Ang cute ni Donnie.
Maraming salamat sa fandom namin kasi grabe yung puyatan nila every day para mag-vote and they've been with
My
us every
best
step
girl
of the
is
way.
crying.
Kaya sa inyo yan, maraming salamat.
Ay, umiiyak si Belle dito.
And thank you guys for having us as well. We've been nominated for a couple of years now. It's nice to finally be here. So thank you guys. Have a great night.
Ilang beses na pala sila sa Village People. Chika with their fans. Okay. Ay, tapos na. Alright, there you go guys. That is our for today. The Dawn Bell at TikTok compilation. So yeah, this is KJ Evelina Vlogs, a Filipino actor featuring King of Saudi Arabia. And see you on my next. Bye.